panoramic lake and mountain views, a modern floor plan by Blue Heron, and an incredible infinity pool, this two-story home could be your dream come true. Welcome to 29 Falling Ridge, located in Caliza, a secure, guard-gated community in Lake Las Vegas.
This home is highly upgraded with large format tile, Vegas modern lighting, Savant home automation, DaVinci linear fireplaces, and more. The extended kitchen is perfect for entertaining. It includes a quartz waterfall edge island, book-matched stone backsplash, and Thermador appliances.
Open the 32-foot wide pocket doors for incredible indoor-outdoor living. Backyard amenities include a large covered patio with heaters, a built-in Sedona barbecue, and a PebbleTec infinity pool and spa.
The view is even better up here in the oversized loft, which features a generous wet bar, built-in surround sound, and a spacious balcony.
The main level owner suite boasts a wealth of amenities, including a linear fireplace, a double shower with a bench, upgraded freestanding bathtub, and an enormous closet. The 4 additional ensuite bedrooms in this home all feature upgraded closets and showers. Lake Las Vegas offers plenty of options for outdoor recreation, including kayaking and boating on the water, golfing at Reflection Bay, and miles of trails for walking and hiking. The Village at Lake Las Vegas provides a Tuscan-inspired setting with lakeside restaurants, a variety of shops, live entertainment, water sports, and a marina. Lake Las Vegas is also home to 2 incredible resorts, the Westin Lake Las Vegas Resort and Spa, and the Hilton Lake Las Vegas Resort and Spa.
I'm Monica, Director of Sales at the Jensen Company. If you'd like to know more about this incredible opportunity to live in Lake Las Vegas, call us today to schedule a tour of 29 Falling Ridge.